Leetcode daily challenge. Question 744. Find the smallest letter greater than target. So this question asks to find out the smallest letter but greater than target. So these are the two key points we have to keep in mind. 1 and 2, well, to find out the final answer, we have to check if that fulfill these two requirements. The good thing for this problem that is that this array has already been sorted, which gonna make things easier for us while we do the looping. We have to go through all the elements in this array until some point we stop. But we can stop at the first letter that is greater than the target. So just a one-time loop gonna resolve this problem.